Governor Lee has signed an executive order aimed at enhancing school safety and guiding parents on school security in Tennessee. State Capitol reporter Chelsea Bimfor explains why it does not, though, include steps for gun reform.
Together, we can keep schools safe.
Monday morning, Tennessee Governor Bill Lee signed Executive Order 97, aimed at improving school safety following the tragedy in Uvalde, Texas.
We agree on one thing, that our schools should be a safe place, that we want our kids and the teachers and the staff to know that they can go to school and come back safely.
The executive order requires things like new active shooter training standards for police, more frequent and unannounced security assessments at every public school, and new safety plans and resource guides for parents and teachers to be issued ahead of the upcoming school year. But it does not include plans for stricter gun laws in Tennessee.
We're not looking at gun restriction laws in my administration right now. Criminals don't follow laws. Criminals break laws. Whether they are a gun law, a drug law, criminals break laws, and we can't control what they do.
Instead, Governor Lee says he's focused on alternatives, like working to add a school resource officer to every school in the state, a push that began in 2019 when a new grant placed 213 new SROs into classrooms.
He's really championed school safety in the state. When I first came in as a state rep, I was working on a piece of legislation to put an SRO in every school. Everybody said I was crazy. The governor stepped in and provided a whole lot of funding. We got a lot of that done, and it sounds like today that he's willing to do what's necessary to finish that and put a SRO in every one of our schools.
Reporting in Nashville, I'm Chelsea Bimfor.
Now, the order also asks the Department of Commerce and Insurance to evaluate law enforcement training standards. They will then provide the governor a report on what can be improved, especially in active shooter situations. Governor Lee is also encouraging parents to download the Safe TN app, where you can anonymously report concerns or threats of violence, which will then be relayed to local police.